You see, when you have leaders who do not care about the people, when you have leaders who have their priorities misaligned and misplaced, this is what you end up with. A healthcare system which is dilapidated and collapsed because of corruption. I'm sure so many of you have seen videos going around social media of Zimbabwean women being embarrassed in South African hospitals, being denied access to hospitals, and even the healthcare officials in the province of Limpopo have come out and said the situation is unbearable. The numbers of people who are crossing to South Africa to seek medical assistance are overwhelming the healthcare system. But you have a leadership who do not care, who do not give a damn about their own people, irregardless of all these things. Hospitals are empty. Hospitals have no hospital beds. They have no medicine. People are being bandaged using cardboard boxes. We can safely say that the hospital system has collapsed. The healthcare system has completely collapsed. There is no medication. They don't have the basics, just the basics of medicine to be able to treat the patients. They don't have. But the government is busy buying luxurious cars. Just one of those cars alone, if you take the money that going to buy those luxury Range Rovers and Land Rovers, if you take that money and give it to a hospital, it will make a huge difference. It will buy a lot of beds. But they went on to buy a lot of luxury cars, giving it to government officials. Not only just an average government official, but the ruling elites, those who are the operators and the players who keep the regime in power, including the judges and the inner circles, the top government officials. While is the hospitals, while is people are dying in the hospital because of there's no medication, because there's no nurses available to assist people. That's when you realize that the government's priorities are way misplaced here. They do not know what they are supposed to be prioritizing. They do not care about their own people. A government who does not care about its own people. Remember, a king who builds a palace for himself will never build a palace for his own people. Yes, that is exactly what is going on here. These people have become too corrupt and too ignorant that they do not care anymore. They don't mind even if the healthcare system collapse and a lot of people die because of this, because they have completely failed and they will never accept it.